Hey students, good morning. While we're waiting for this presentation to load, there we go. We're going to start with question number 1. How are endocrine glands different than exocrine glands like sweat or oil glands? We can see clearly here just this exocrine gland here, this one here, and this one over here. And we can see that endocrine glands have cells, these secretory cells that basically excrete their product, whether it's sweat, oil, digestive enzymes, whatever. And then they secrete them and they pass through a duct and they're dumped onto the surface of either the skin or the stomach lining, small intestine lining, hair follicle. And then, that's their job. Whereas an endocrine gland secretes its product, a hormone, you can see right here, into the bloodstream directly. We can see that right here. These cells are producing the hormone, dumping it into the blood. This right here, another image of the same thing. So that's the basic difference between endocrine and exocrine glands is one secretes their product onto the surface of, someplace in the body. The endocrine glands secrete their hormones directly into the bloodstream. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, explain general hormone action in your own words. I don't have much more time, so we'll just do the first 2 questions for right now. Basically, when a gland senses that there's some kind of a disruption in homeostasis in the body, you have these specialized organs that are going to secrete a hormone into the blood, lymph, or into extracellular fluids. And that's details that we probably won't get into this year in class. Basically, then you're having the blood transferring these hormones to their target sites. Okay, and we can see that right here. Here's a secretory cell secreting its product into the bloodstream. You see the shape of the hormone attaching to this target receptor on the target cell. Alrighty. And so then what happens next is these hormones regulate the activity of other cells. Once this hormone has bound, it sets basically a chain reaction in motion of things going on in the body that are going to bring the body back into homeostasis. Okay, so we'll leave it there for now. I'll post another video here in just a few moments with a couple more questions.